Well, now as you guys are watching the unboxing video, I am going to pretty much give my overall thoughts on the the Bluetooth earbuds and the beginning, just what I think overall. First of all, the quality of these wireless earphones. They feel, I can't say that they feel luxurious, but they feel decent. They don't feel that bad, they don't feel that cheap, but at the same time, it doesn't feel like the quality that Miatone normally provides with their products. Feels kind of like clanky, feels like it's about to fall off when I'm talking about the top of the box, and then the actual earbuds are just not a very luxurious feel. I mean, it looks nice, everything looks smooth, but it just doesn't feel luxurious. Then I would just like to say that the battery life of these earbuds, once again, I would say it's supposed to be 40 hours. Not really sure how much of that is probably true. I would say you're good probably 10 hours, which is actually really good for wireless earphones. The performance of these earbuds are not that bad. It sounds fine. You have them in your ear. There's no really special effect. There's no like surround sound, anything like that. But it sounds fine. I mean, it sounds like it normally would. Just the problem is when you get to the comfort level, they are not comfortable whatsoever. They're falling out of your ears, making your ears hurt. Lots of different things that make these earphones just not comfortable whatsoever. And then we have the button functions of the earbuds. I think that they need some work, and they don't really work as they should. So really, my overall thoughts on these earbuds, if you are in the market for wireless earphones and you have very limited finance to purchase earbuds, I would say that you should purchase these. If you are just looking at purchasing earbuds just because you need wireless earbuds, if you want to go for the studio sound and for the actual good sound quality, I do not recommend purchasing these. I would go a bit higher end different earbuds. But yeah, thanks for watching. Good day. Just like to mention something that's really, really cool. These glasses, man. Ooh, they're nice. Alright. Anyways, today we're going to be talking about these Bluetooth Austin headphones. And we're going to be talking about the comfort level and the ease of connectivity and just pretty much the ease of access. So to start, I mean, these Bluetooth earbuds are really easy to connect. You're pretty much going to open it up. You're going to click the Austin, and just like that, it's really going to connect. So it really works. Once it's connected, you're just going to put it in your ear, just like so, and you're going to hear a little ding, which means that it's working. Boom, heard a bing. Heard another bing. And it automatically started playing the song that I had on there. So they're a bit like AirPods. When you take it out, the song will stop playing. When you put it back in, the song will play. So I really, really like that about these. The one thing I do not like is the comfortability. These earbuds are so hard to fit in your ear, and they're so hard to get into a comfortable spot in your ear that it's just very difficult to enjoy the music when it's bothering your ear. It's hard to fit in and everything. After a while, after maybe 15 minutes, you'll get used to it. But it's called sensory adaptation, by the way, for all those AP psychology people. But I mean, it's just very hard to fit in your ear to get comfortable, and half the time you're putting it in the wrong way. But there really is no right way to put it in because it just depends on everything. But let's just play some music. It's really simple. You take it out. As you can see, we're playing. Take it out, and the song should stop. Or you take both out, and the music should stop. It's not working right now. But I mean, one cool thing though is that when you press the right side, the volume will go up, as you can see. Not really working right now. Ah, all right. So, I think I figured out what was going on. There we go. Not sure what was going on. I guess you just have to maybe stick it in your ear a little better. It's just very difficult to find the comfort level to find out which way you need to put it in. But let's just move it down by pressing the left. Nothing. It's just maybe we gotta try to readjust it in the ear, you know. Nothing's really working right now. Kind of a little bit, kind of going up a little bit. Now we paused it and now we activated Siri. You know, it's not really working out so far right now. We're gonna just look back at the manual to see if I'm doing anything wrong, and then we're gonna see if we can do this a little better. All right, well, we are back. We have the manual, and according to this, there's many different ways that you can, you know, do different features. So when you're on a call, you can tap it to answer, and you can actually tap it twice to end the call. You can touch it for 2 seconds. I guess you would touch and hold it to reject the call, and then now when you're on music, you would tap it 2 times to play or pause the song, or you can tap it once to raise the volume and lower the volume, and you can touch it for 2 seconds. So I guess you would touch and hold it to go to the next track or to go to the previous track. And then to activate Siri, you would just tap it 3 times. So we're gonna try this again, see if it works any better than last time. Let's just see if there's anything in here about how to wear the, nope, nothing in here about how to wear the earpod or the earbud. All right, let's just see. This is the right, yes. We're going to put it in like so. Just however you want to do it, because we heard a sound. Wonderful. Both are working. We're gonna go just play a song from Ed Sheeran. All right, so we're on music. We're gonna tap it twice and see if it pauses it. Not really sure what I'm supposed to be tapping. I'll just tap on the. We are raising the volume now, even though I'm tapping it twice. I mean, I guess I really have to bang it. Not really working out right now. Let's see if the left one works to tap it twice. Nope, we're just lowering the volume. I got it. So if you tap the left one in about the middle, I guess it'll pause. Let's see if the right one works about the middle. Nope, that's just raising the volume. So I guess, you know, when you're doing this, when you want to purchase these earbuds, you really have to pay attention to the little features and work on how to actually do it. So I think if you tap the middle right around this area, if you tap it twice, then it should play and pause. There we go. Not really working that well. Something else. You can tap it once to raise or lower the volume. That one works, I believe. Tap it once. There you go. Tap it once, and it'll go up and down. Now, if we touch it for 2 seconds, we can go to the next song or the previous song. So if we're gonna just press and hold it, and it did. It indeed did go to the next song. We're gonna try it. We're gonna go to the middle song. We're gonna try and tap the left one. And that actually worked. So I just think that the pausing one is not really working the best. Now we are gonna try to attempt it for calming people. We are going to, let's just say this, just call them call Trump. Donald Trump, here we go. Don't get the phone number. We're calling Donald Trump. Hey Donald. I'm good, how are you? So if we tap it twice, it should end the call. Nope. There we go. So once we tapped it twice, we actually ended the call. We're gonna go give Trump the call back again, see how he's doing after he lost the election. Now if we, let's see if we can touch for 2 seconds. Not really sure what I did. Oh, it just switched the volume to the phone. We go back here. I wonder if it says that in here. No, Donald, don't worry. Nothing in here about that. So we are gonna try to end the call again by tapping it twice. So that one works. Do not look at his phone number, that's private information. So, and let's just test out the third thing. We're gonna just test out the Siri. We're gonna on the home screen. We're gonna tap it 3 times and see if it activates the Siri. It just played the music. Now load the volume. We might have to tap it a couple, 4 more times than 3. Not really working right now. There we go, we finally got it. Very interesting set of earbuds. Okay, so this is Daniel Bolzone. He is a test subject for these Bluetooth earbuds. Danny, you may open the package. Yeah, you can turn on. You can put the earbuds in your ears. Danny, please feel free to voice any opinions you have about these earbuds.
Very comfortable.
All right, now I'm gonna be playing the song on here. I'm just gonna see how well it is.
Is that the max volume?
No, this is the max volume.
Kind of quiet for the max. Very good quality though.
Good sound quality?
Yes, very clear. This is ridiculous.
How do you feel about the comfort level? How do you feel about the comfort level of the earbuds?
Very comfortable.
Very comfortable?
Yes.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you think that you would use these for yourself, or you would buy them for yourself?
Yes. I go to the gym a lot. I would definitely bring these to the gym.
So if we weren't paying you or anything, because we're not paying you, would you still say that?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey guys, we're back with the Miatone Austin wireless earbuds. We are now gonna test, the range between them. So we're gonna put them on, whatever way you feel like putting them on, and we're gonna test the Bluetooth range, the volume range, the Bluetooth, to see how far I can go, and until it disconnects. So we have both. Got both earbuds on. Can you play the music, please? Everything's working. We're gonna see how far. So overall, I would say the Bluetooth range is really, really good. Um, it just, I would say the sound quality is decent for a speaker. I mean, for earbuds, and the battery range, according to the packaging, it is about 40 hours of playback time, which I do find it a little tad, skeptical. I'm a bit skeptical of it. I would say that, but I do believe that it has good battery life because I know Miatone products have good battery life. But overall, I think it has decent sound quality. Decent. Just the buttons and the features very, very hard to use, and the Bluetooth range is phenomenal, and the battery life I believe is good. So yeah. Hey guys, I'm just here. I'm just gonna go test the actual microphone capabilities of the right here, the Austin Bluetooth earbuds. Recording on my phone right now. So we're just gonna talk and see how it works. Hey guys, how you doing? Just you know, these earbuds are certainly certainly something. I don't know how much exactly to say about them because I am a little bit biased since I've had AirPods my whole life, but we'll see how they work out.